Let's be real. Crypto trading can feel like a full-time job, right? But what if it didn't have to be? Today, we're going to break down how automation is trying to solve that endless grind of manual trading and what it could mean for you.
So just for a second, be honest. Does your crypto life look a little something like this? You're trying to get in on the action, maybe on some of the newer networks, but it just feels like this constant uphill battle to keep up with everything.
You know the feeling? You're spending what feels like endless hours just staring at charts, your stomach absolutely drops with every little market dip, and you're stuck in this constant, really stressful chase for profits. If any of that sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. That's just the reality for so many traders out there.
But what if you could automate that entire process? That is the exact question a platform called Johnny Blockchain is trying to answer. So let's take a look at their solution.
So what is Johnny Blockchain? Put simply, it's a smart trading platform. It uses these AI-powered algorithms to automatically trade cryptocurrencies for you. The whole goal is to take human emotion and, honestly, the huge time commitment completely out of the equation.
Okay, so how does it actually do that? How does the magic happen? Well, the power behind the platform really comes down to two core automated strategies. They call them bots. Let's break down exactly how they work.
So the platform really takes a two-pronged approach here. On one side, you've got the spot bot. Think of this one like your trend follower. It's on the hunt for quick profit opportunities based on big percentage moves, which makes it perfect for when the market has a really clear direction, up or down. Then on the other side, you have the grid bot. This one is built for those choppy, volatile markets. It sets up this whole grid of buy and sell orders at different levels, so it's just systematically buying low and selling high as the price bounces around inside a range.
And this is super important for anyone trading in the Base ecosystem. Both of these bot strategies are designed to work seamlessly with Base chain tokens and their supported decentralized exchanges. So this is a really specific feature for traders who are looking to automate on that particular network.
All right, let's move on and see how this all builds into what the platform calls its trading edge. What are the specific benefits that make this kind of automation a potential game changer for someone like you?
So what is the edge? Well, it all starts with making it accessible. The whole idea is you don't need to be some coding genius or a pro trader to actually use it. A huge factor is security. Your funds stay in your own wallet, so you are always in control. Plus, the bots work around the clock, 24/7, catching opportunities you'd miss while you're sleeping, all with that special focus on the Base network we just talked about.
I really want to double-click on this point because in the crypto world, this is so important. This is what you call a non-custodial platform. And what that means is they never hold your funds. Your assets stay safe and sound in your own MetaMask wallet or your exchange account where you and only you control the keys. The bot just gets permission to place trades for you. That's it.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, a service with AI bots, 24/7 trading, and non-custodial security, that has got to come with a seriously hefty price tag, right? Well, here is the kicker. The price for unlimited bot setups is just $25 a year. That's a price point that's clearly designed to be incredibly accessible to pretty much everyone.
So it's powerful and it's affordable, but is it a huge pain to set up? The whole point is to reduce your stress, not add a bunch of new technical headaches. So let's look at the actual process of getting started. The whole process is basically boiled down to 4 super simple steps. You start by creating a free account, then you securely connect your wallet, which, remember, just gives it permission to trade, not to touch your funds. From there, you just configure your bot by picking the network and your trading pair, and then you launch it. You just let it go live, and that's pretty much it.
And that's the whole point, right? To get you from signing up to having a bot trading for you automatically, and to do it quickly, without all the technical stress that usually comes with these kinds of tools.
All right, let's zoom out for just a second. We've seen how these bots work and the problem they're trying to solve. But what's the bigger picture here? What does all this really mean? The ultimate takeaway is this. Technology like automated trading, it's not just about trying to make more profit. It's really about changing how you participate in the market. It gives you an edge by letting you be active 24/7 without being physically or mentally glued to a screen. It's about getting your time and your energy back.
And that brings us to our final thought for today. As automation starts to handle these really complex tasks like trading, it starts to open up some really interesting new questions. The same project behind these bots is also exploring concepts around decentralized personal identity. So, if your financial life can be automated, what does that mean for the future of how we manage our entire identity on the blockchain? It's a pretty fascinating question to think about.